Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make bread yeast at home. To begin, you'll need just a few basic items. The foundation of your homemade yeast starter relies on two simple ingredients: a sugar source and warm water. The sugar acts as food for the yeast, while the warm water creates the perfect environment for it to thrive and multiply. It's a straightforward process that anyone can master with a little patience. Now let's get your yeast starter going. In a clean jar, combine 1 cup of warm water with 1 tablespoon of your chosen sugar. To introduce wild yeast, add a few organic grapes or a small piece of fruit. Cover the jar loosely with a lid or cloth, allowing air circulation. Place it in a warm spot, around 70 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, and let it sit for about 3 to 5 days. You'll soon see signs of activity. Once your starter shows activity, it's time to feed it regularly. Each day, discard about 1/2 of the starter to manage its volume. Then, add 1 teaspoon of sugar and a splash of warm water, stirring well. You're looking for consistent bubbling and a pleasant, yeasty aroma, which indicates a healthy, active culture. This routine keeps your yeast strong and ready for baking. Knowing when your homemade yeast is ready is key. It's active and ready to use when it consistently produces robust bubbles after feeding. For baking, you can typically substitute 1/2 cup of your active starter for 1 packet of commercial dry yeast. After using, store your mature starter in the refrigerator. Remember to feed it weekly or bring it to room temperature and feed it daily before your next bake.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.